Machiegni nyakora mongi e weche manyien mag ka gi kacha. Nyinga en George Bati Dadi Kulu tsunami machiegni. Jatend migao mar omenda John MBADI ochopo e nyim komiti mar omenda e od bura mar chiwo ler e wi weche mamulo sekta mar omenda ka ahinya wach gope ma Kenya nigo. MBADI oyango ni 63% mar yuto mar piny Kenya sani dhi e gope, kendo mano keto piny Kenya kama tek.
Is for us to realize the percentage that we want, which is sustainable at 55% or below of debt to GDP in present value terms. The strategy is to consistently reduce the fiscal deficit yearly. In the year 2020-2021, the debt deficit to GDP was at 8.1%. Now that came down in the following year to 6.2%. And then in 2022-2023, it further came down to 5.6%. And then 2023-2024, which I've just referred to, it came down to 5.3%. There was a very ambitious strategy to reduce debt to GDP, deficit to GDP, to about 3.3% in 2024-2025, which, Honorable Chair, you are aware, backfired. Because I think it was extremely ambitious. But then, moving towards having it at 2.7% in 2028-2029 may not be too ambitious. And then this financial year, we have agreed to have the debt to GDP, deficit to GDP at 4.8% max. And I'm sure we will achieve that.
Kawasuru nyakora mogeni mane en jalar komten piny Kenya Paul Kigame omako bura e doho e wi nek mag rowere kod kethruok mar ratich oganda pachoka kowacho